Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. It's called REIKO. And this song that he'll be performing is called First Christmas and it's featuring with JUNON. Be First. I'm not familiar with REIKO, but I'm familiar with a lot of the Be First participants. Okay, so I wanna say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to y'all, even though it's already gone. But regardless, I want to wish you guys a happy New Year and a prosperous 2025. So, people, without further ado, let's hear what REIKO and JUNON have to say in this track. Peace. 今年から僕のクリスマスには君がいて Yeah, sounding well so far. Very well. Very well. I mean, like, this sounds great. Sounds really great. Magical voices as well, right? REIKO, he can sing. Very good, he can sing, right? And also, JUNON himself, I'm already familiar with who is JUNON, and I know what he's capable of, but REIKO, I think he has some more to give us, so let's pursue. Terrific, bro. Terrific. The instrumental is sounded so good. The place is literally filling with niceness. I gotta say, bro's voice sounding angelic. Sounds good. Sounds like he's one of those peculiar people who can sing amazingly. Trust me, to me, he's fine with his voice, bro. Very good voice, man. These two are creating waves. Wavy and astonishing movement. Woo! Enjoyable. Who else feeling happy while listening to them? Who else is feeling happy? Because I'm feeling happy, right? They are giving the sound of us to be happily existing. Very good. Very, very good. Underrated artist. Trust me.
Christmas のように輝くよ Merry Christmas ありがとう僕と出会ってくれ
Damn, bro. Damn, bro. I'm so sorry that I've just found out about REIKO. Where was this guy? It's my first time listening him, and I'm telling you, he's making such great impact in my life right now. The happiness that is coming from this man's music, it's quite a shocker. Trust me.
また来年も再来年も大切なあなたと
You know, I'm happy to see that JUNON bring for REIKO or REIKO bring for JUNON. I'm not sure, but these two are really something else. Right? The moment that the two of them combine together to give us a feature, they are creating some excellent movement.
過ごせますようにジロン君皆さん最高のクリスマスシーズン過ごしてますか一緒に楽しみましょうね
I think these guys deserve some more listening ears because the music sounds good. It's giving a great impression. Trust me.
Merry Christmas ありがとう僕と出会ってくれてまた来年も再来年も大切なあなたと
Totally fine. Totally. Way too good. Bah! Bah! Bah!
過ごせますようにクリスマスありがとう僕と出会ってくれてまた来年も再来年も最高のクリスマス
Very good, bro. Very good. I mean, like, these voices, bro, such a relaxation. Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas, one and all. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash the subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reaction. I'll see you guys in the next suggested content. Peace.